Hello my people, how are you all doing? Join me in my kitchen today. Let's cook chickpeas. Chickpeas contains a lot of protein and your hair needs it because your hair converts this protein to keratin, which is needed for your hair to grow optimally. So I've already soaked this chickpeas because if we didn't soak it, we're gonna cook it for a very long time. It's a waste of energy. So you got to soak it for maximum of 24 hours, if possible 2 days. So what I do is that I soak it. After 8 hours, I change the water and soak it again for a whole day. Then the next day I'll now put it in the fridge. So here I've divided it. This one in the bowl, I'm going to use it to make moi moi, while I use the one in the pot for my regular chickpeas soupy. So I'm going to add bay leaf and clove, just 1 clove. This will help it to cook fast, even though I'm using pressure pot, but sometimes it takes time. So this bay leaf and clove will help it to cook. You cook it maximum of 1 hour because I like it soft. So this one for my momo, I will wash it now and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge. When I will do it, then I'll now prepare it. But I'm not going to do it in this video because I don't want it to be too long. After about 1 hour, the chickpeas is ready for the next level. So I will now prepare the vegetable for the next cooking. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So I'll go in with my onion. I like enough onion in my food, so this quantity. I'll add salt, a little salt. I go in with my natural spices. I don't use Maggi. This is turmeric, cumin seed, grounded, rosemary, black pepper and nutmeg. The next thing to add is garlic. I don't miss adding garlic to my food. It gives it a special flavor and taste. Here goes my carrots, red bell pepper and green bell pepper. This serves as my Maggi because it tastes so nice. It has a sweet taste. So this is what I use in place of Maggi. I just want to add a little stew, just few spoons of my stew to the stuff I'm cooking. I don't want to now start adding fresh tomato to fasten up the cooking. Go ahead to add little water and cook it for a few seconds or minutes before I now add the chickpeas. I want it to be soupy and not dry, so I'm going to take little quantity of the chickpeas and blend it. So it will now, I'll use it as my thickener. After adding the blended garbanzo, chickpeas, they call it garbanzo in Spanish. I will allow it to steam for 5 minutes. After that, the food is ready. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.